Here's ALK, Alaska Air Group, one of my great swing calls. We came down, tried to get in here. Nope, didn't work. Again, didn't work. You got to keep trying. Came down again. There was the algo at 40. And look how deep we were on the crossover right here. And look where we're at now. We're at 49.67. Now look at the weekly too. Weekly came down. These were fake outs. See this? You weren't actually at a crossover where it's going up. And this was close. It actually did cross over, but it still went down. But this was all a fake out, meaning that, you know, even if it went lower, which it did, it wasn't going much lower because you have white over red here, extreme oversold. You're not going much lower in here. I called this trend line going back from COVID, actually. Look at this. 1, 2, 3. You know, it didn't hit exactly on this candle. It went to 37.63. And, you know, getting in here lower, it's more of a time thing. Even if it goes lower, you're going up being that oversold. It's not like a penny stock where this could sit for months and months. You know, Alaska Air Group, a major airline, this isn't going anywhere. And look what happened. We're at 49.62. Trying to come up now. I like this 58.60, which would be this big trend line here. Now, we're going to pull back along the way it's possible. I don't think we're just going straight up green. But this is another tremendous call. And you can see proof right here, update 30,000 feet. Let's check out my call. I've been crushing these swings this year.
Here we go. Let's do another video. October 14th.
October 14th, 1 month ago.
Tuesday.
Look where we're at.
ALK, I've been talking about that.
Okay, let's fast forward.
Very choppy, made a rush down. You had a false signal right here on the algo. Move right away.
See what else.
There's a low here. Weekly chart. I like this.
See how it didn't cross over yet on the weekly?
I'm not sure if it's going to do that. Depends on the market.
Weekly didn't cross over. That's why I was a little early at 49. Look at it here.
Barely,
you went lower until you have a crossover.
Tomorrow's just going to push it down. So it really depends this week. This low to high. Look at this. April, May, June went all the way up. You know, it struck monthly chart crossover next 49.89. So we'll see if that moves up. 2 hour getting key. Nice move up the way it's going. Unless we have a big breakout. That's what I'm looking for. Now, shorter term, in the middle, I would like to see this 55, 56.
55, 56. We're at 49.
That would be my
I'm on these. I'm telling you, follow me. I'm on these. No one's giving you this information. You think CNBC is giving this information? They suck.
Usually, that's what it's called, Wall Street. They all want their money here. About 47.20. What's this candle? Okay, beat stock market upswing. I'm playing this low to high weekly. Now you can play different moves here. That's not good. That's when you're overbought. You buy down here when you're oversold.
Yep, overbought. Come down. Let it come in. Let it come in.
It's way more upside buying low. Look at stochastics, how oversold. 49 or 50 and then 52.
All right, so there it is. And you can see where we're at now. Proof of my call, and look where we're at. You know, fake out, that's fine. Fake out, you just get out right away. Let me just shut this up.
All right, here we go.
All right, so that was another fake out. Now, I mean, this was actually a small move up, very small. And, you know, this was the move, because look at your weekly now. You actually even went lower here. See, in November, came up. It was a small move on the charts. The stochastics was bigger, then you went lower again, and look where we're at. This all worked on the daily. And you can see the weekly, all red over white. The crossover was about, it's hard to say, right about here. You could say October, end of October. You got to be patient on these swings. So right now, you know, all of them didn't work. You're at, say you get in here, 11:21. We're at, you know, a month and a little over a month. And this has been a great swing. So there it is.